Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, our banana tree been growing really huge. Check this one out. This banana tree is a Grand Naine Banana Tree, and I'm gonna remove these pups and put it in another container. What usually happens with banana plants, the mother tree, before it dies, it releases a bunch of pups on the bottom, and those pups replace the actual mother plant. So we're gonna remove those pups. If you come closer, we're gonna remove these pups. All these are pups. This one is a little big, but it's a pup. Right here, it's a pup. It's an actual pups. But I'm just gonna remove this one and put it in a different container and have more banana plants. So I wanna show you guys the ice cream banana tree. This one is the ice cream banana plant. It's pretty big. I got this plant when it was like maybe right here, and that's in early December. Now check it out. It's over 12, 13 feet all the way up. Yes, this plant will flower, but it will take some time. See, this one is giving out a pup too. But I'm gonna let this pup get to a decent size, and then I'll remove it from this container. But for now, we're gonna do the Grand Naine Banana Tree. So let's go. All right, now we're gonna take it down. Here we go. It's not that heavy. I got my little setup going on over here. So I'm gonna just rip this whole thing out. This container, it got a little small, so it's probably root bound by now. So I'm gonna rip everything out one shot, and I'm gonna saw the pup off and put it right back inside of this container. That should be easy enough, right? I hope so. All right, guys, so we're trying to remove as much dirt as we can around this side. As you can see the pup. You can see a lot of roots around it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna saw right in between and try to get much roots as possible. So this plant can grow really well. So this is the saw I'm using. You can use a knife too, but I just prefer to use this saw. You wanna do a straight cut.
I need to dig. It's going down to the hole.
Just saw it right off of the mother plant. Banana plant is very resilient, so don't worry about the roots too much.
He's going down to the hole.
So now I just gotta break these roots apart and get this pup out of here. See?
I gotta find him. He can't go down to the hole.
If it was in the ground, maybe it would have been a little bit more difficult.
I'm gonna make a. There's no way. I'll make.
See, we got that side out. So I'm gonna lefty cut this side out. There we go. So this thing should rip right out. Check that out. Ooh, one of those nice roots. So this one got some roots on it. So good enough where it can regrow. If you see, pink and nice, and it's very young. But that's where the cut came, right on the side. See it? It's a little glossy now, but we're gonna pot it back up, and this plant should grow just like the mother plant, or maybe even bigger. That's one down. You know what? I could get this one out too, and just put it in that. At a smaller container, I can put that in there.
No.
Again, the same thing we did. We're just gonna apply the same thing. I'm gonna fold that back in. And when you take these pups off, it gives the mother plant way more energy where it can produce a flower even faster. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna get this one out. So what is it, Mother? Again, go in with the saw.
Nice and peaceful. I need more.
There's a piece of wood here, see? Yeah, broken. This will come right out.
No, they're not going in there today.
Got roots on it. Come on, people. Right on the side. It didn't harm the mother plant. The mother plant is still good. But I need these babies. And that's it for now. See, I got 2 more pups. As I spin this thing around, I got 2 more pups coming up. But I'll see how big those get. Depending on the size, I'll take those out too. This tree is like heavy on one side. I gotta tie it down. So that's how you remove a pup. Real simple, real easy. If it's in the ground, it might be more challenging. So now we're getting ready to plant the pup. I got the pup right there on the ground. And the first thing I'm gonna use is some root rocket to promote healthy roots, because they definitely gonna need some help right now. Like I'm gonna put this whole thing in there and mix it up. In the soil, I got some banana soil. This is very sandy soil. And I got some tropical planting mix soil. So I'm gonna mix all of that up to give this banana plant a really, really good start. So the first thing we wanna do, we're gonna take all this out. Yep, I'm pouring all this in there. There we go. I'm gonna mix it up a little because I'm gonna make sure it sit well. All right, that's not so bad for this banana plant. I'm gonna put it right, something like so. I'm gonna get this soil out. And I'm gonna put the soil over there. This soil is mixed with sand and a bunch of peat moss. There's a bunch of stuff in it. There we go.
You can't live without dirt.
Let's see if it's the hose. All right. And I'm gonna rip this one open. I got you. I'm gonna pour this right on top of it. And we want to give this banana plant a really good start. This is the exact same thing I did for that one, and they just took off to brand new heights. There we go. See? This one is beautiful soil. Got lava rocks inside. And I'm gonna stake it and just to make sure it's safe so it don't blow over and stuff like that. This is pretty good so far. No complaints from me. We finished the last one and everything is looking very nice. So we got 3, like I said earlier, we got 3 out of this. So, and when I'm making this, I really got to prepare for winter time. I got tons of room inside. I'm gonna put them inside. But see, this is exactly why I staked them things. It's a little windy now, and you can see the difference. This one looked like it's ready to blow over. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, watching the video, watching us taking a pup off of a mother plant and making another banana plant out of it. And in a few months, we'll see how big it gets. And hopefully, I know it's gonna get to maybe this size. And this one is gonna flower. It'll take a long time for banana tree to flower. I don't know, maybe 6 to 8 months. So it's a long process. But you wanna be patient with them and, you know, take your time with them. But I really do appreciate you guys. And, you know, check us out on Instagram. I always post pictures of these banana plants. You know, I take good pride in growing them, especially living in a very cold state. So thank you again for stopping by. Rich out.